Hello everybody and welcome to another Affinity Photo tutorial. In this lesson I'm going to show you how to create a watch face. Let's create a new page. Let's start first of all with our object. Everything that I do here can be created also in Affinity Designer if you have it. There's going to be a vector-based watch face. So I'm going to click and hold the shift at the same time so it creates a perfect circle. After that, I want to place it in the center. So let's say 4 and here 3, and then I'll move my circle to be in the center. Let's change the color of the background. Let's give it for the moment a dark gray. Now let's create the main hours. So they're going to be 12, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock. And I'm going to create with this diamond tool. I'm going to draw a diamond, then like this. And I'm going to change the fill color so you can see it better. I'm going to place it right here. So I'll zoom in and I'll drop it even more. You can actually, let's do it like this, in the inside. I want to make the same diamond at 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 9 o'clock, yeah? In order to do this, click on this object, enable the transform origin, so it's going to show you, let me zoom in to see, it's going to show you the center of this diamond, and the cool thing is, you can take the center of the diamond and put it in the center of the circle. Now, with the diamond selected, hit Alt and J from your keyboard, or Command J if you're on Mac. With the second diamond selected, 90 degrees here, so it's going to create the 9 o'clock. After that, hit Alt and J from Joker 2 more times, and that will duplicate the diamond and it will put it at 6 o'clock and 3 o'clock. Click on the top layer diamond and the bottom one and hit Alt or Command G if you're on a Mac. And duplicate this and put here diamonds. Hit enter. With the rectangle tool selected, draw a rectangle, doesn't matter where you draw it, because we're going to move it. And we are going to zoom in. To zoom in and out, hold Alt key and move the scroll wheel. So if you want to mirror your move, hold Alt or Command while you're dragging the object. So let's drag it like this. Well, this is going to be for the hours. I want to create it bigger. Perfect. Now let's repeat. Take the center and move it here. If your center doesn't align perfectly, make sure you have this snapping tool activated. And with this, Alt J or Command J. And if I'm not mistaken, if my math is correct, 30 degrees should do the trick for the hours. So enter once and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that should be it. Let's zoom out. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's delete this one. Let's delete this one, and this one. Perfect. Let's create the minutes as well. So we are going to do the same thing, but first of all, we are going to take the rectangles and Alt G to group it and put here hours. Let's create the minutes, rectangle, and do the same. Going to be smaller here. Again, take the center, drag it to the center of the circle, Alt J or Command J, duplicate it. Now we're going to put 3 degrees increments in, and then we're going to hit Alt J until we fill the entire circle. Alt J, Alt J, Alt J. Let's delete this one. We don't need it. I think it's one behind. Don't need it. One here. Don't need that one. Here again, we don't need it. Don't need this one. This one. Going to delete this. And I think I deleted that one. Good. Perfect. Looking good. Looking like a watch face. Let's take the entire rectangles here for the minutes and group them together as well and put here minutes. Let's create the hour hands. So we're going to use the arrow tool and we're going to create this nice arrow, and we have some options here, or you can drag this red circles. Looking good. Don't need too much. We can do it like this, and after that move it to 10 o'clock. Alt J to create a duplicate and move it to 2 o'clock. And you can make it smaller. And this is how you create quickly a watch face. Let's add some colors. Okay, I think this is too green. You get the idea. Basically, you can do whatever you want, and as you see here, you can create different styles and you can place it to your images. And if you're looking here, you can see that I have a writing here, made in England, that follows a radius. Let me show you how to do that as well. So you have multiple ways to do that. I'm going to show you the quick way. So I'm going to create a curve alongside this. Then with the text tool, I'm going to bring the mouse on top of the curve and write made in England. But let's change the font first. You can select the same font and just try to center it. I think should be made on Mars or something.
Oh, come on, you gotta give me aliens.
Okay. And there you go. You have a very colorful watch face. Again, don't mind me. The colors, you can change them. You can do whatever you want. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go and smash that like button to inform the gods of YouTube that this is a video that you really enjoyed. Please leave your comments below and let me know what else would you like to see covered here on this channel. Until next time, enjoy the video here and here. Take care.